Hello everyone. This course objective is to practice student speaking ability collaboratively using Jigsaw speaking. In this course, I ask students to discuss their selected short video topic from TED Talks, www.ted.com, along with their peers. Then, I need students to make group first. For example, the topic is extreme sport, so they can type extreme sport in search of the TED Talk website. Then they should select their group video differently. They discuss with their other group first. Then they should download the videos and the transcripts. They print the transcripts and distribute to their group members and write a letter at the top of their transcript. Finally, each group leader should write the letter and the title of the video on the board. When they have downloaded their videos, they should watch the videos while reading the transcripts. In addition, to practice their speaking ability, then they should retell what is the video about in turn. Lastly, each group leader present their new summary to the class. Other groups listen and correct any mistake.